Leela, Munnu and the Song of Appa. In a quiet little village where mango trees swayed and temple bells rang at dusk, lived two little best friends, Leela and Munnu. They were playing by the river when Leela suddenly realized that it was Father's Day.
Munnu, it is Father's Day!
Leela's Appa was a school teacher who never missed waking her up with a morning prayer and walking her to school, even when he was tired. He told stories from the Mahabharata at night, and his strength was in his calmness.
We should do something special for Appa. Should we write him a song? Yes. Let's make him a song. A prayer song. With real feelings inside. You know, like the Gita says, do your duty with love and leave the rest to God. Appa is like Krishna, no? Always guiding you, teaching you and standing by you. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, do your duty with love and leave the rest to me. That's what your Appa does every day. And Appa always says the right thing, even when I'm upset. That's just like Krishna with Arjuna. When Arjuna didn't want to fight the Mahabharata, Krishna didn't get angry. He just explained everything with love. Yes, and remember when I was scared to go on stage last month? Appa sat with you and told you, don't worry about the claps, just do your best. That's what Krishna says too. Do your karma, leave the results to God. And do you remember when I spilled all the milk by mistake? Yes, he just smiled and helped clean it up and said that it happens. Just like Krishna, kind and steady.
Leela folded her hands as if offering a prayer.
Appa doesn't carry a flute or wear a crown, but he gives answers like Krishna, walks calmly like him, and helps us find the light. That's it! Let's make a Krishna-style prayer song for him.
So they sat by the river near the temple steps, watching the setting sun paint the sky saffron. Leela hummed a tune she heard her grandma sing from the Bhagavad Gita. While Munnu began writing lines with a stick on the mud.
To the one who walks with strength but speaks with care, who teaches with stories and always says a prayer. Oh Appa, like Krishna you guide and lead. You are our first teacher in thought, word and deed.
They ran back and sat under the big peepal tree in the courtyard. Leela strung together some marigolds and tied the leaf to it. They folded the prayer into a handmade card, decorated it with marigold and champa petals. When Appa came back from the temple, he noticed the flower string and bent down to read the prayer. His eyes welled up.
This is the kind of prayer even the Gita would smile at.
Leela climbed into his lap and said,
We didn't want to buy something this time, Appa. We wanted to give you something from a prayer, from the Gita, from what you always teach me. Do everything with love.
Do you know what Krishna told Arjuna? Love is the beginning of all duties. That when we do things with love and no expectation, it becomes a prayer. And this is the most beautiful prayer I've ever received.
The temple bell rang again. Leela and Munnu smiled, held his hands and softly sang the verse together.
Doing your duty with love is the highest way of worship.
And so, on that Father's Day, under the evening sky and echo of the temple chants, a little girl and her friend gave their father not just a gift, but a song of love rooted in dharma and devotion.
Pratna for kids by kids.